Hey Robin, I'm going to give a demo of the cooking portion of the application that we were talking about the other day. So what I have here on my phone screen, I have a few items I've been just completing to give you an idea of what it might look like for you guys in a live environment. We have more than a few products already being monitored. But what we are going to do is we're going to start monitoring a new item. So let's just hit the blue plus mark like we did in the past. And this time maybe we're going to take the temp of the pork. We're going to cook the pork. And what we're going to do is we're going to select the product warming log. And that's just the verbiage that our development team used. Of course, it can be renamed as something such as the cooking log or whatever it is that you want it to be. So if I click on product warming log, we are going to select the Bluetooth thermometer. And then we are just going to make sure that our strategy is correct. So we have the pork, the product warming log, which could be renamed as the cooking log, and the Bluetooth thermometer, and I'm going to hit start. So this first stage we have set up to take 2 temperatures. And the reason being, the reason why our development team set it up this way is to simply be able to monitor the life of the product before it was cooked. So being able to know that the product was in a safe temperature before it was cooked is important. So I'm going to click Add Temperature, and it's going to automatically pair to the thermometer that I have in my hand. I have a ice water bath sitting next to me, and I can wait for it to get into any desired temp that I want it to get into. As soon as it is, I can press the button to lock in that temperature. And once I do, it's going to come up on the phone screen. And like I said, remember, it wants me to log 2 temperatures. And this is just how we set it up. It can be whatever it is that you want it to be. But the stage 1, as soon as it is warmed up past the 41-degree mark, it is going to register it as a successfully completed temperature for stage 1. So let's go over to stage 2. Stage 2, we have this one set up. We have 2 hours to get to 70 degrees. So with my thermometer again, I'm just going to wait for the probe to get up to 70 degrees. Once it is, I can lock in that temperature, and it's going to take me to the next stage. The stage number 3, the last stage, is product warming to 135 degrees. And I have an additional 4 hours to do this. Remember, it's just how we have it set up. So I have a glass of water sitting next to me here, close to boiling. So I'm going to stick my probe inside of there, hope to see it get past 135. It cooled off a little bit. I'm still going to record the temperature just to give you an idea, and it's telling me that the next time it is due is 7:38.